Hi.
Hi, are you sure this course is just for 2499?
Yes, and you know this is the only course with this expertise across the world.
No way!
Yes way. Don't delay. Enroll now.
Geeks learning together.
Hi, and welcome to Geeks for Geeks. Today, we would be discussing yesterday's problem of the day, that is case specific sorting of string. So, I would just reset the code and share my tab so that you can quickly rejuvenate the question itself. Just a sec. Yeah. Quickly read the problem and then we would start right away. The problem is very easy and simple to understand, and if you understand it in the correct manner, the implementation is also on the easier side. Like the brute force is not that great differentiated from the optimal solution. Like the pathway is a easier one. Okay. Hi Yash. Hi Nakaj. Hi Rishit. Yeah, it's basically a easy problem. I don't know how they have tagged it as a medium problem. But still we would just cater it as it is. Let me just check my speed, and yeah, it's fine. Yeah. Okay, so now let us quickly understand the problem. Let me just share the screen. Mhm. Share the whole screen. Okay, just let me share the screen. Okay. Is my screen visible? Yes. Okay. So see, in this problem, you are given a string S which would contain of uppercase and lowercase. Okay. Now they are telling you to sort the string in a specific manner. What it is, that after sorting, first you need to differentiately, like you need to segregate the uppercase and the lowercase. Then you need to sort the uppercase and the lowercase. Then, at a particular position, if a lowercase value is present, you need to have a lowercase sorted value, and in a position where uppercase value is present in the original string, then uppercase sorted value should be present. Like let me just show you. Suppose this is D, so let us just write lowercase for L, and this is uppercase for U. So for lowercase, this would be D, then this would be E, then this would be F, okay? And then we would have again E, then R, and then S, okay? And then uppercase would be R, and then T, and then S, and then U, and then X, and then I itself, okay? So now let us start. So the first character is a lowercase character. So lowercase smallest character is D. That is why D is present. Okay. Then second one is a lowercase character. So let me just mark it D. So the next lower smallest character is E. So we would write E. That is why E is present. Then again a lowercase character. So the next lowercase character is E again. So we would write this, and that is why E is present. Again, we have an uppercase character. Smallest uppercase character is I. So we would take this one, and that is why I is there. Then the smallest uppercase character is R. So we would take this, that is why R is there. Then we have again a lower uppercase character. Okay. And the next one is S. So we would take this. Then again we have E, that is a lowercase. So the next smallest character is F. That is why F is there. Then we have the next lowercase character. Okay, that is R. So we have R here. Okay, and then we have S here, the last one. Okay, and then the remaining ones in a sorted manner would be UXI. So TUX. Okay, TUX. So am I clear with the problem statement, and am I clear with the sample test case or not? So basically what you need to do is you need to segregate the lowercase and the uppercase. Okay, then you need to sort both of them, and now you need to start scanning the original string. In the original string, if at a position a lowercase value is present, then you need to have the lowercase sorted alphabet. If a uppercase value is present, then you need to have an uppercase sorted alphabet. Okay, and this is how it's done. So am I clear with these two or not? Give me a quick one in the chat. Give me a quick one if I'm clear till this point or not. Okay. Sure. Actually, I find it the very close to my heart, because earlier when I used to code day and night, but still I was not able to find any source of motivation. So what I started doing was, in every code template of mine, I started writing that one day I would be this. I didn't come this far to come only this far. This was the two most close to my heart lines that I used to write in every template of mine. Okay, let's move forward. Okay, so okay, it's done. So now the idea is, to be honest, very simple. What you need to do is you just have two vector of alphabets. Okay, two vector of alphabets, alphabet lowercase and alphabet uppercase, and then you start scanning the alphabets. When you find a lowercase, insert here. When you find the uppercase, insert here. At the end, you again start iterating over the original string. If it is a lowercase alphabet, insert the character from the lowercase. If it is an uppercase alphabet, insert a character from the uppercase, and the remaining one will be there. That is it, nothing else. Okay, so very simple. So we would just take two vectors and just do as it is said. We would take it, sort it, and then start assigning it. Okay, the main problem was in the understanding of this question. Now let us move to the implementation part. So I will stop sharing the screen. I'm currently in Samsung R&D, but I need to be good in CP and be better. Yeah, absolute. To be honest, your career position doesn't really defines the need of coding in your life. So it doesn't mean that every person who is not a good coder is not successful in his career. It might be a scenario that DSA is not clicking for him, but he is a very good developer. It might be a scenario. I didn't really ask you that you are unplaced. A person who doesn't know DSA doesn't mean he is unplaced. Okay, so first we would have a string PMP, temporary. Okay, And then we have one more string t1, which is also a temporary string, t and t1. Okay, now we would start inserting the alphabets. Okay, so you can do it in a vector also, you can do it in a string also, either way is fine. For int I is equals to 0, I is less than n, and I plus plus. Now we would say if it is a lowercase character, how it is lowercase character? S of I is greater than equal to the alphabet A, and S of I is less than equal to the alphabet Z. If this is the scenario, then t plus equals to s of I, that is t would hold the lowercase one. Okay. If it is not lowercase, then it is uppercase, that is t1 plus equals to s of I. Okay, after it is done, then we would have int j is equals to 0 comma k is equals to 0, so that they both would point in the t and t1, that yes, this is taken, we need to move forward, this is taken. We just like we were doing the scratching part, like we were marking, yes, this is taken, yes, this is taken. So this would move forward, taken, move forward, taken, move forward, taken, move forward, like this. Okay, so sort t dot begin dot t dot end, and this is done. Then we would need to sort the second string also, so we would just copy paste to t1 and t1. Okay, this is done. And now we would say for int I is equals to 0. Okay, I is equals to 0, I is less than n, and I plus plus. Okay, now we would say the same thing. If it is a lowercase character, if it is an uppercase character. If it is a lowercase character, s of I plus equals to t of j, then after using j plus plus. So j post increment operator. Okay. Else s of I, this won't be plus 1, s of I is equals to t1 dash k plus plus. Okay, and then we would finally return the value of s itself. We'll just combine and run and see how many errors are we making. Okay, so let me just show you how this is working through the second one. Okay, so basically stop sharing, share the whole screen. It's done. Yeah, see, this is all about like this. See, first we have t and t1. Okay, s is a lowercase character, so s would get inserted in s, r, b, b, and I. Okay, and the next one would be d and k. After sorting, t would become d, I, r, s, b, I, r, s. Okay, and this would become dk only. D would come before k. Now the first one, it is asking that first one is a lowercase one, so b would get added, then I would get added, then r would get added, then d would get added, then k would get added, and then s would add. This is how it is happening. Okay, so tell me the line number at which you are not able to understand. Just let me present the Chrome tab. Yeah, tell me the line number at which you are not able to understand. Instead of using two vectors, can we use two min heaps instead? Yes, absolutely. You can do it either way. We can do it in big O of n time and big O of one space. No, I don't think. Big O of n. Yes, we can do it by using the known as counting sort, like you can use count the concept of counting sort, like you can simply hash all the values in an array of size 52, because lowercase 26 a to z, uppercase 26 a to z, but the intended time complexity is n log n and this auxiliary space is n, so I moved forward with this. Otherwise you can decrease the sorting one. Okay, so any more queries I have, just tell me the line number, else I would turn off the session after a waiting time of 30 seconds more. Okay, I think it's done. So if you were here till this point of the video, consider liking the video and commenting on the video so that the reach of this video could be increased. That's it for today. Thank you and have a nice day.